Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking recipe ebook for your cooking course, or the cooking niche. You can easily make a high-quality ebook in Canva for free. And the best part is that you don't need any experience in graphic design or creativity. All you need to do is create an account on Canva, and once your account is set up, this is the interface you'll see. And in the search bar, type Recipe eBook, and you'll see hundreds of options. You can find everything from minimal to professional-looking recipe ebooks, and explore all the templates. From the free versions, you can edit whatever you like. For example, this one is paid, but this one is free. And so are these. If you don't like any of them, just explore more. For now, I'll go with this one. Yeah, this one is free. I'll just explore, and after you find a good one that fits what you want, then just customize the template. Once you click on it, you'll be able to modify anything you want. See how easy it is? You can easily edit professionally designed templates by creatives. Right now, just customize and modify whatever you want. If you want to replace an image in the templates, then just go to Uploads. Upload the image from your computer and simply drag it in to replace the existing one, like this. And that's it. If you want to change the font, just click on the text, and here is the font. You can easily change it. If you want to undo, here's the option. You can also play around with other features like underline, strike through, uppercase, and more. You don't need much experience. These features are really simple. Within a few weeks, you'll get to know every feature, effect, or icon. Just add your own branding, your details, or your own images, anything you want. After you've created and modified your ebook, double-check it to make sure there are no mistakes. Once you're sure everything is good, it's time to export. To export it, go to Download, yes, here, and download it. Here you'll see various formats, so just download it in whichever format you need. For sharing, use PNG. If you want to print it out, go with PDF. Just download it, and your professional-looking recipe ebook is ready for you. You can use it however you like and share it with your viewers or followers. This was an easy tutorial for creating a recipe book in Canva. Yes, a recipe ebook in Canva. That was simple.